Back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is reassuring members of the diaspora that the government is on track to curb the crime monster facing the country.
Now it comes as Mr. Holness officially opened the 10th biennial Jamaica Diaspora Conference in St. James.
Kelisha Williams is on location and has the roundup of day 2.
It's day 2 of the conference and the final session wrapped up a few minutes ago. Now today, Prime Minister Andrew Holness officially opened the conference and he took the opportunity to address some of the crime concerns raised by members of the diaspora on Monday. He also outlined what the government has been doing so far this year to reduce the murder rates.
Our approach has to be a gradual one, and our approach has to bring the people along with us. And my own view is that our strategies are working. Our murder rate is now about 10% below what it was last year this time, and we experienced a similar reduction last year.
Moving to the issue now of Jamaica's journey to cutting ties with the British monarchy. Now, opposition leader Mark Golding, who was also speaking at the session, stressed that the constitutional reform process needs to be more inclusive, with members of the diaspora being an active part of the conversation.
And part of that dialogue must involve a discussion on what it is to be a Jamaican, what it means to be a Jamaican. I personally am of the view that we can't take a myopic, insular approach to this, given the realities of who we are and that we're spread all over the world and how dependent we are on each other. And indeed, Jamaicans on the rock are for our relatives and friends abroad. And our rules around who can participate at whatever level, in my opinion, should reflect that reality and should be inclusive rather than discriminatory.
And before all of that, earlier this morning, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green announced that come November, the government will be launching the Eat Jamaican Day campaign right across the world. And he outlined how it will work.
So we want everywhere in the world, November 25th, that you're celebrating Eat Jamaica Day. And we're going to ensure that for the month of November across the world, we're celebrating Eat Jamaica. So the Eat Jamaica Global Campaign will see us this year partnering with a number of our consulates and missions, especially in our main diaspora centers, to promote and organize activities that remind all of us that it is better to buy Jamaican and eat Jamaican right around the clock.
Tomorrow, I'll be moving from the podium a bit and I'll be looking at issues affecting Jamaica's education and youth sectors and how members of the diaspora can be a part of the solution. Reporting from the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James, I'm Kelisha Williams for TVJ News.